Okay. Good morning, everybody. He just missed a little one. I dropped him off because I'm actually going to go run some errands and I'm gonna go look at houses today. So I wanted to do that and be able to focus. So I dropped him off. But I'm actually on my way to Marshall's really quick. I'm going to make a return. I'm not actually looking to hunt. So like a few weeks back, I picked up like a bunch of melamine plates. And then they just kind of been sitting in my kitchen looking at me. So I decided to return them because they're literally, I have no use for them. So I just figured I would go ahead and get rid of them. I mean, you really can't do much with them. Like, you can put food on them, that's it. Like, you can't warm them up in the microwave, you can't do this, you can't do that. So I'm like, okay, well, I can't use these. So I'm gonna take them back and then I'm gonna go house hunting. So I was just coming on here because I was wondering if that would be something that like everybody would be interested in seeing, is like just looking for a house. You know, I can't wait to have more space and have more room to do videos and display, you know, my rate Dunn, etc., etc. So I'm so excited to be doing adult things right now, y'all. So again, this isn't really going to be like a hunting vlog. This is just me going to look for a house today. So I might film some of that depending on if I remember. And then, sorry, like the lighting is crap because of the direction of the sun. But yeah, so I'm excited to do that. And then I'm going to just run in here and return these plastic plates that I don't want. So I'll keep you guys posted. Okay guys, so nothing I wanted in there, so I'm headed to go meet my realtor. I actually love these sip lids, by the way. I don't mind them. Garbage. So there was nothing good, but it is what it is, y'all. So like yesterday mermaid mugs came out, pinch and dash came out, more please baking squares came out, bake rectangles came out, and who knows what else. I know the More Please canisters came out in my area. So everything is just so hit or miss because like my area is super behind as far as like shipments, like our home goods. they're about a week behind on their trucks, and literally it just felt like the stuff was just sitting in the back for the longest time. So like when pasta bowls started coming out, when plates started coming out, things like that, like it was literally taking them forever to put it on the floor. So it's very hard to like time when to go to the store because they were behind. So just because one area got it or whatever, like we were supposed to get them at the same time, but that didn't happen. So who knows if I will ever see a snack canister. I'm still keeping hope alive, but you just don't know. So I do need to go to TJ Maxx a little bit later on today, you guys, so I will vlog a little while I'm in there. Hopefully I find something good. Yesterday I didn't find anything amazing. I ended up like running into a friend and chatting, so I didn't vlog, but I found like a backpack for my son's really cool Star Wars one. And then I found like 2 mugs, Dream and Hello, and they both had color on the inside, which is the only reason why I got them. Because I actually, I take like my mugs to work. So like there's like a coffee bar setup that I did at work for my employees. And they really like to use the mugs for the morning coffee or whatever. So whenever I see cute ones or whatever, I'll pick it up for them. Or if I have like a double of something and it's nothing super hard to find, like I'll take it into work and let them, you know, use them or whatever. But like there's certain ones I'm not taking to work. So that's usually what I do for my people. But today's my day off, and like I said, I'm going to go look at houses. So I will come back on here and hopefully be able to vlog a little bit more. Maybe something good I'll come across today with you guys in my corner. We'll see. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Seeing that in a while. At the only ones at opening. Only ones at opening. Just me and this guy. Hold my hand. I don't think they have anything. Bowls sitting here for us. Bunch of bowls. Steak. And he's gone. The only bowls I'm looking for. Soup and ramen. That's like the 2 bowls that aren't here. Yay, finally. Soup bowls. Okay, I keep touching stuff on my screen. Very nice. Only bowls I'm looking for is soup. whole kind of day. Fresh, sweet bread. A little something. I know where my
It's probably
kid
from yesterday's truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when I came in, the truck just arrived.
Huh.
So you got some good deals over here.
Yeah. My kid took off somewhere. Hey you guys, I just thought I would come on here and add my Dunn Buddy unboxing because I realized I never put it in my other video, and I know it doesn't really go with the whole vlog, but I wanted to show you guys what I got sent from my friend in Canada. She was very sweet. She packaged everything really nicely, and I had a really difficult time opening up all of the bubble wrap. But to me, that is a good thing. One thing I will say is over time, I have definitely learned that you can find friends anywhere. She is the sweetest person ever, and she really looks out for me, and I definitely look out for her when I'm hunting. The Canadian girls are super sweet, or at least the ones that I've talked to through Instagram. And I definitely am happy to have these pieces in my collection. Now I don't have to worry about trying to find them whenever, if ever, they are released in the States again. And I wanted to show you guys some of the goodies that I was able to find. Well, not find, but you know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of those items. And I will see you guys in my next upload.
Take my